Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. And this video, you will learn how to use the Revolve features. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, create a line here with 8 millimeters of length. Create this line with 45 degrees, the angle between this line and this one, and create this line here. The distance between this line and this one is 15 millimeters. So open the Inventor, go to Start the sketch and select the front plane, select the line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 8 millimeters. And create another line here. The angle here, 45 degrees. And create another line here. Go to dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 15 millimeters. We made this. Now we will create this line here. This line has 50 millimeters of length. And we will create this two line. The distance between this line here and this one is 20 millimeters. And the angle here is 60 degrees. So select line, click at the midpoint, make a line here with 50 millimeters. And create another line here. Click here in this point, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this point, make this coincident. And go to dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 20 millimeters. And the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. Press OK. We made this. Finish the sketch. Now we need to revolve this profile. And we need to revolve this 270 degrees. So go to Revolve. The profile is this one. The axis, select this line here. And the angle here, 270 degrees. And press OK. Now I will add some color here. Let me select these two faces here. Change the color. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.